What else was mentioned in the letter?
Drawing.
Name.
Her drawings. Smith, what else was mentioned in that letter? Her drawings, her medal. So, in the second letter, her drawings were mentioned. The two drawings to be gifted to two of her friends. So how did Miss Mason feel about whatever happened with Wanda?
Both
Unfortunate,
one and two.
Both
sad.
one and two.
Yes, both one and two. Unfortunate and sad. In your first term exams, you are going to get only MCQ questions. So you have to revise
Many did
MCQ from all the
come get
chapters.
difficult.
How would you describe Miss Mason's
I'm upset.
feelings towards the class? Angry, upset? Yes, she was upset. She was not angry because she thought that they are children and they haven't done it intentionally. She mentions this uh, to the class that I know you have not done it intentionally. So basically, she's upset. What was just as bad as what Peggy had done? Maddie staying silent while Peggy teased Wanda, Maddie not stopping Peggy, Maddie
A.
teasing Wanda.
Maddie
Maddie,
staying silent while Peggy
yes,
teased
Maddie
Wanda.
staying silent while Peggy teased Wanda. That was also as bad as teasing. If you see something wrong happening and you don't oppose it, that is also a crime. What did Maddie think of herself after the letter was read out loud?
I'm coward.
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 Yes, coward. Kayar. Coward matlab kayar. So Peggy had the same idea. Maddie glowed. What was the idea?
To go and look for Wanda at Bogging's side. I'm both
B.
2 and 3.
Yes, to go and look for Wanda at Boggin's height and both 2 and 3. Okay. So, Ayush Kumar 10G, you answer this question. Question number 9.
May I answer?
Okay, Advit, answer.
Wanda's dress.
What was Maddie reminded of by the
Wanda's
Petronskis?
dress, unironed and but clean. D.
What was Maddie? B.
D. Last option.
By the Petronskis' house. What was Maddie reminded of?
D.
Oh, yes, yes, D. Wanda's dress. It was, the house was shabby but clean. Huh? So the house was shabby but clean. It reminded her of Wanda's dress, unironed but cleaned. What excuses does Peggy think of her behavior?
Can I answer, ma'am?
Okay, Anuj.
Wanda didn't know she was being made fun of. B. Both A and B.
Yes, both A and B. So when you are doing MCQ questions, read all the four options. Don't jump to conclusions. Both A and B. Wanda didn't know she was being made fun of. She got the idea of 100 dress drawings only when Peggy asked her. So these are the excuses that she gives. That when she was teasing her, she was giving her Ideas of more dress designs. What important decision does Maddie take? Who will answer? Wait.
Stop others from bullying.
Akash Kumar.
Ma'am, can I?
All of these.
Uh,
All of these.
कौन आंसर
Ma'am,
करेगा?
can
ऋषभ कुमार आंसर. ऋषभ कुमार, you haven't answered.
ma'am, can I?
Can
मैम
I?
ए है
Okay. हाँ. Unfriending Peggy.
मैम ए
नहीं ऐसा.
मैम सी मैम मैम सी
Ma'am,
Can I?
can I?
Yes, C. Stop others from bullying. This was the important decision that she takes. Unfriending Peggy तो नहीं है. All of the above नहीं होगा. How did they contact Wanda? Letter, phone call.
Ma'am, let
मैम लेटर मैम ए
Yes. So they wrote a letter on the posted it to the old address, and they
Both 2 and 3.
what did they write in the
मैम डी
letter?
मैम
Apology.
MD.
B. Both 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes, 2 and 3. They did not apologize. First, they thought to apologize, but later on, they wrote just a friendly letter asking her about the new city and asking her whether she liked the teacher, and then about her drawings, that she had won the contest. Drawing was beautiful. All drawings were beautiful. These are the things they wrote in the letter. Why did they think Wanda wouldn't reply?
Option C.
And C.
She must have
Yes.
been Sarah.
She must
सी
she must have been sad and angry. Yes. Who was more anxious for a reply? Maddie, Peggy, Miss Mason, or
Ma'am, Maddie.
Maddie.
Yes. Maddie was the one who was most disturbed. She couldn't even sleep at night. She wrote speeches how she will give advice to the girls not to bully anyone. And all the time she was restless. She cannot drive the thoughts of Wanda out of her mind. What did Maddie notice in the drawing?
Wanda
ए
drew their
Ma'am,
faces.
Wanda drew their
Option A.
faces.
Yes,
Wanda
Wanda
drew.
drew their faces. First, she observed that face was there in her drawing. Then she ran to Peggy and observed Peggy's drawings, and then she found that Peggy's face was also there. So she observed. Wanda drew their faces. What was the tone of Wanda's reply?
Friendly.
Ma'am, friendly.
Yes, friendly, because she had gifted her two beautiful dresses. It was not angry, it was not ungrateful, no hatred. Yes. What do you mean by picking on someone?
अनफेयरली क्रिटिसाइजिंग
Unfairly criticizing them.
Yes, unfairly
D.
criticizing. Huh? If you make fun of anyone because of someone's name or race, or because someone is a foreigner, that is very unfair. Hmm? So that is unfair, criticizing anybody for not belonging to the country or having a strange name. What was Maddie's reaction
Ma'am,
on
sad.
this?
Sad.
Sad. What did Peggy infer from the drawing? Infer मतलब
D.
अनुमान
Both
लगाना.
1 and 2.
Both 1 and 2.
Both 1 and 2.
Wanda was a good artist. Wanda liked them. She was a good artist. She could even draw the faces. So she was a good artist and Wanda liked them. कौन आंसर करेगा? Someone. Okay, Bhavya will answer the next question. Bhavya, what was the description of the house which Maddie thought to be Wanda's? Wanda's.
Little white house.
Yes, very good. Little White House. Yes. So, answering MCQ question is not easy. You have to make a thorough study of the chapter. So don't think that you will read the summary and then uh, you can answer the questions. Very minute details are asked. So it is better you read the chapter thoroughly many times. And considering the situation till now, I think the exam will be held offline only. Already the notification is there to uh, reopen the schools of class 11 and 12. Next, it will be your turn. So, the grass along the pathway to Vanda's house looked like puppies, snakes, kittens, monkeys.
Kittens.
Yes,
Kittens.
very
Kittens.
good.
Option C.
Kittens, yes. It is mentioned in the story. You have to read very carefully. Keep all the details in mind. Vanda's house was on a cliff.
B.
On top of a hill.
Of a hill.
It was on the top of a hill. Yes, on the top of a hill. That is why Boggins Heights. The name itself suggests heights. What was used to decorate the
Ma'am, both.
classroom?
Both.
Both.
Both. C.
Both. Bells and tree. Okay. What was the color of the dress in Peggy's drawing?
Green.
Ma'am, green.
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 I got confused. Peggy का एक green था और एक blue था.
मैम रेड मैम एम्ब्रॉयडरी था.
Red was the trimming sash. Peggy was blue
And blue
and
one was for Maddie.
blue one was for Maddie. Yes, yes, yes. Blue
Yes,
Yes,
was
ma'am.
for
ma'am.
Maddie and green for Peggy. So Peggy का green था. Yes. Yes, now I remember. Blue was for Maddie and green for Peggy. Okay. So, okay, so now we can revise some grammar. Uh, you want the schools to reopen or this is better?
मैम रीओपन मैम बेटर है.
Open the
मैम रीओपन.
Oh, okay. Harsh, Raj, Himanshu, ये लोग सब एकदम reopening के favor
Yes,
में
ma'am, reopen.
reopen. Nishu Nayan, अच्छा. What happened, Nishu? Yesterday you were unable to join the class. Okay.
मैम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम के कारण हो रहा था.
अच्छा. Okay. Even we teachers want the school to reopen because students who are sincere, who are they are studying, but what about majority of students hardly taking any interest? Many of them join the class, don't answer. Okay, lecture as a method of teaching is as old as civilization. It is dash common. Had we done this earlier? मुझे याद नहीं यार. ये तो शायद नहीं किया था. Okay, who will answer? Ambesh. Ambesh, can you hear me? Ambesh? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Most.
Ambesh?
Much.
It is
Most commonly practiced and very widely used.
more commonly. More is more suitable. It is most commonly practiced. Most commonly, अच्छा. Most commonly, yes. In dash countries,
Ma'am, many.
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 Many countries.
in many countries, uh, dash traditional,
Ma'am,
The
the traditional, and almost the only technique D है ना.
ma'am, employed.
Employed. Yes, ये हम लोगों ने किया था. अच्छा चलो. Employed. Yes, employed. Employed. Uh, the effective use of lecture requires skillful preparation. Dash is incomplete.
Which?
Which?
Which is incomplete. Mm, Which is incomplete. Uh, unless if fill since. Unless if fill since.
Ma'am, since.
Mhm.
Unless.
Unless. This we had done, now I remember. Okay. Uh, this we hadn't done. Chalo. There is great difference dash faith and
there is great difference in faith. 3.
will answer. Uh, Harshraj,
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर करो ये. There is great difference dash faith and dash.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Among, between, in, from.
Mang होगा.
हाँ,
Ma'am, among.
among क्यों होगा?
Ma'am, between.
Between होगा. Between. दो चीज है ना. Between faith and dash people call belief. Between faith and dash people call belief.
What?
Yes, what people call
Yes.
belief. What people, there is great difference between faith and what people call belief.
While. While belief is.
Yes, while.
C.
So there is great difference between faith and what people call belief. While belief is superficial and is easily, let us see the options, and is easily shaking, shaken, shake, shook.
Shaken.
Yes, shake,
Second.
shaken, yes, and is easily shaken. So while belief is superficial and is easily shaken, faith makes us strong. We dash have faith in God, dash we know that he
We should.
can't,
We
can,
should have faith. We should have faith in God.
we should have faith in God, dash we know that he exists. That we know, we should have faith in
Till we
God.
know that he
Till.
exists.
We should have faith in God, dash we know that he exists. We should have faith in God, dash we know.
Till.
Since is not there. Four options are there: till, so, that, unless.
Till.
Ma'am, I've said till.
Huh? Till.
Till.
Yes, ma'am.
टिल, इसमें तो मुझे एक भी ऑप्शन ठीक नहीं लग रहा. As we know that he exists, as होना चाहिए, but options that we know that he exists, ये तो नहीं होगा. So we know that he exists unless we, options are not suitable. Till we know
Maybe there
that,
is some
हाँ,
misprint.
till we तो लग रहा है suitable. We have faith in God till we know that. Maybe it's a printing mistake because we know that he exists.
हम एज सबसे ज्यादा सुटेबल लग रहा है.
हाँ, तो as वही मैंने लिखा है, as he we know. Maybe sometimes options are also wrong. बुक ही है. ये तो हो गया था. This one we had done. Okay, the moment, this is from
Whose letter fell
letter.
into the mailbox?
What will be the first option?
His.
His.
Aditya, the moment
His.
his letter fell dash the mailbox into
Into the
our
mailbox.
Into.
into means movement, so the letter fell into the mailbox. The postmaster
Goes.
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 the passage is in the past tense. Fell है.
Went.
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 हाँ
Went open.
हाँ, passage past में शुरू हुआ तो went to open it. It said God dash the money that I asked for. God dash the money that I asked for. With the money, by the money, of the money, to the money.
मैम
God,
विद द मनी.
no,
Of.
To.
with the money. To
होगा.
the money I
मैम विद.
asked.
To the money I asked for.
No, to the money कैसे suitable लग रहा है? To the money I
मैम
asked.
विद. मैम विथ द मनी.
Of the money. Yes, Pragya gave the correct answer. Of the money I asked for. God, of the money I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. This is suitable. God, to the money I asked for, not suitable. Of the money I asked for. With the money I asked for is not also not suitable. Then only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest. Dash, I need it very much. Send me the rest. Dash, I need them very much.
Since. Because.
As.
All the
As.
three have the same meaning. मुझे तो तीनों ठीक ही लग रहा है. Because since.
मैम
Because I.
तीनों होगा.
हाँ,
मैम तीनों होगा because since as.
तीनों का मीनिंग एक ही जैसा होता है. Because. Okay. Because I need it very much. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? देखो, इसको हम लोग ये करते हैं तो as I need it very much भी हो सकता है. Since I need it very. But don't send it to me through the mails dash the post office. Don't send it to me through the mail dash the post office employees are a bunch of crooks.
As.
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 as the post office. Okay, correct alternative. Passenger aeroplane almost fly dash speeds less than that.
Ma'am, at
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 Ma'am, at
Yes, at speeds less than that. Less than that. From, of, around, with.
ma'am from
Less
ma'am
than that.
from
Passenger aeroplane almost fly at speeds less than that.
ma'am with
of
That less than that of.
ma'am that
Off होगा. Passenger aeroplane mostly fly at speeds less than that of stand. Less than that of stand. This is suitable. Although aeroplanes dash can fly. Although
which
aeroplanes seat. Which,
Which
when,
can.
what
which
choose. Which.
The
Which
which.
can
ma'am
Which.
which
Which.
fly.
Which can fly dash supersonic speeds have been built. Which can
With.
fly on,
Oh.
at, over, in. Which can fly
over
dash
Uber.
ma'am
over
over
over supersonics.
over. Mhm. Fly at.
At.
Which can fly over supersonic. नहीं, over नहीं. Over is not suitable. Which can fly at supersonics. At is there in the option. Yes, at is there. Uh, this is dash if they fly dash speeds greater. This is scenery, scene, scene, seeing.
and
Seeing.
seen.
ये वाला scene.
Last one.
Yes, ma'am.
This scene. This is scene. If they fly dash speeds greater than speed of sound. This is seen if they fly by, on, with, at.
By.
By
If they fly by speed. If they fly at speeds.
On.
At. If they fly at speeds greater than that of sound. 3 minutes is left. Um, do one narration. ये हुआ था. The teacher asked Sumit.
yes, ma'am.
ये
हुआ
हो
था।
गया. हुआ था. अच्छा, ये वाला करते हैं. Sonu, what makes you weep? Sonu asked Rohan. This one.
what makes him weep.
What made
Made
him weep? So Sonu asked Rohan what made him weep. He replied that someone has stolen my wallet. Who will
Had
answer?
stolen.
Abhi
Had stolen.
Narayan. Aditya Raj answer. Aditya.
Ma'am, someone had stolen. And
Has
someone
will
had
change to
stolen.
has will
Had.
change to had. Someone had stolen his wallet. So has will change to had and my will change to his. Next Sonu inquired of him where he had kept it. ये तो बनाया हुआ है. Did है तो यहाँ क्या हो गया है? Where he had kept it. And as You remember the rules? Word order is changed. Pronoun पहले आ जाएगा और ये did जो है वो बाद. So where he had kept it? Rohan answered that.
It-
Here you have to add some words of your own to make it meaningful.
He kept.
He had kept.
Yes, he had kept. Because in the preceding sentence you have had, so here also he had kept it. Okay. Servant, please give me leave for a week. The servant requested his master. How do you change requests and orders? Who will do it? Supriya. Supriya is present. Supriya,
Yes, ma'am.
Banao. This one. How will you change this? The servant requested his master.
To give him leave for a week.
Yes, very good. To give him. As you don't use past in request, order, and suggestion. Do you remember the rules? Request, order, suggestion, 2 plus
Yes, ma'am.
V1. Yes, to give him
Yes, ma'am.
leave for a week. The master asked him why.
Why he needed such a long leave?
Yes, why he needed. You remove the do and use the past of the main verb. Do वाले sentences में कैसे बनाते हैं? You remove the do and past tense of this main verb. Why he needed such a long leave? At this, the servant said that he had to visit. So this is already done. I to he and have to had. He had to visit his village. The master acceded to his request but asked him. Acceded मतलब ये okay जो है इसको कैसे change किया हुआ है? Acceded, agreed भी लिख सकते हो. So okay is changed in which way? The master agreed to his request, but asked him, isko, don't outstay your leave. How will you change it? Not to. Asked him not to.
Not to outstay.
Yes, not to outstay. मतलब जितना छुट्टी है उससे ज्यादा नहीं रहने के लिए. Outstay means what? To come within the leave. Not to stay more than the leave. Outstay, not
More
to.
than the limit.
हाँ, don't कैसे change करना है? Not to. Okay. So tomorrow all of you be prepared with the chapter diary of from the diary of Anne Frank. Oral test I'm going to take. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That is the portion for your MCQ as well as short type questions. Be prepared for both MCQ, objective, short type. Okay. And all of you have to give response. Many students, they just sit silent, no response. All of you have to respond one by one. Okay. Okay. So have a good day, all of you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.